Candice, Archana and Sucheta, and we're sitting in between shows all decked up. So tell us, which show you guys working for next?
We are working for Vikram Fadnis.
And how exhausting has the day been for you?
Well, it's actually been so beautiful the whole day. Yeah, and the exhaustion will come up as soon as we finish the last show. So right now we're just chilling because that's what we're doing right now before the show and after the show. But you should ask us the same question after the last show.
Then maybe the answer might be different.
After the last show, we have grand finales rehearsals. So I think by then we will be like, want to go back home.
So you're basically waiting for Fashion Week to just get done and go home and sleep and pass out.
Yeah, we sleep deprived basically. Yeah, my God.
Thank God we wear lots of makeup on our face, so you really can't tell much.
You know, we have to change our hair and makeup look for every single show that we do for. So, you know, getting ready, being on time, styling takes time just before we enter the ramp. And yeah, but what is it like after that?
Oh well, I think we are very organized that way, I would say,
Yeah,
because
everything is organized
everything
for
is
us,
so
so-
sorted. When we have to enter, you know, there's stylists backstage, there are makeup people, hair people. Yes, it gets hectic because everybody's jumping on you who is next girl, and they push you like, you know, okay, you stand here and you know you're the next person, whatever. But you know, everything looks cool on ramp. That's the best part. That's what we enjoy. You know, that we transform everything, every hectic thing into a pleasant, beautiful journey of good designs.
It's really tedious because
very tedious.
you run over people backstage, people run over you backstage.
We bump into
Sometimes
people for a
your hair
second
falls,
change.
your hair
Yeah,
falls
hair
off
comes
backstage,
out.
your makeup comes out, sometimes it's off because your clothes zippers get ruined. Sometimes the models are fighting because our helpers are not so efficient. But the pros and cons, what you all see on stage looks
Nothing
beautiful,
shows
like
on the ramp.
like a dream come true. But then backstage can be as hectic as it can be.
You must be having barely what, a minute to get into your look too if you're swapping clothes for the same show?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think we should talk in seconds. It's never
Seconds.
a minute.
It's
We
not
should
even a
always-
minute.
yeah. We don't. Sometimes we don't get time to even look ourselves in the mirror. So our
before
stylist
coming out in the
tells us
second
we are ready to go on the ramp or not. You know. So sometimes we are just out of the change. We come out and they say, okay, yeah, she can go on the ramp. She's ready for it.
Modeling sounds a lot less glamorous than it looks like on stage. But tell us something, okay? Something very seriously. Would you do this? Would you do anything else if not this?
I love doing this. It's always been my passion. I don't know about them.
I would love to do this because you know, so much of mess backstage, but everything looks so perfect, and that's what we are perfect at, I think. So.
Well, if we really didn't enjoy what we were doing, apart from pros and cons with every profession does have, I don't think we would be here, and you wouldn't have been interviewing us, and we would have been loitering around or sleeping somewhere. But I think because we take our job so seriously, we have to be on our feet all the time, and now we have to go for rehearsals in a while.
Okay, so I'm going to make this really quick and say that for all those aspiring models out there who are trying to be where you guys are right now, probably looking up to you and admiring your work, what is that one message you'd like to give them? Let's make it very inspirational.
Well, actually, you'll have to make sure as to you want to be a model because you have to have it within you to be what you want to be on. Otherwise, you can't just be in the profession just because it's easy money and you're just looking beautiful. If you're passionate about what you're doing, you have to do it. I think that goes in with every profession, not
Yes,
just modeling.
I agree with her. Yeah, I agree with her.
I would say be yourself because everybody loves variation. Nobody likes, you know, second Candice Pinto, second Archana or second Sucheta. So be yourself, be confident and be professional.